Well guys, as you can see the shop, MOHANLAL Sons since 1881. All the statues looking pretty good. Shops, everything. And this is that thing once again. Area full of dinosaurs. Oh my god, okay. This is what you can experience. You just need to come here. You will see every kind of new things which you wanted to see in a childhood but you never saw it, but now you can saw that in your current age, like 11 to 18 or 19 years, or maybe your full life, maybe your whole life will be also included. And this world is looking pretty good, pretty nice, and just traveling here and there, guys. I'm just confused what things need to be done. Oh my! I just have a Rubik's cube. No, Rubik's cube. No, robotics. I think so. Oh my god, there are so many people over here. So bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.